amazing. Learning so much and steps to move forward and how to help our business grow. So I'm loving it. Favorite session is how to grow your business and how to generate leads and work your customers and clients, and how to step outside of the box and overcome your fears of trying to, deal with your clients and so on.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.